I would,
Yeah,
and I would want 500 more.
but Deputy Laura, he won't even do a 5K with us.
Toto, is that Toto?
Yeah, no, that is,
The
he sings
Proclaimers.
the Proclaimers, yes.
Like
Sure.
I said on my day back, I came correct with my knowledge.
All right, everyone, just give me a moment.
You definitely. This one? It's a PSI, right? Yeah. Well, no, I don't there.
All right, so everyone, here's an update. I don't like to hide the ball. You know, when I was a prosecutor and people would ask me, do you have your complaining witness? I'm like, no, but I'll have them tomorrow. So, in this case, this is what's going on. For those of you who are scheduled for trial, they are out of jurors. And let me just tell you what's happening with the jury situation. There are jurors on the hallway on different floors and downstairs in the basement. They're waiting for them to be sent back. So the question becomes, do you want a jury trial today where we do jury selection? And those are jurors that have been sent back.
Good.
Oh, and Norma's telling me they haven't had lunch.
Let me go buy lunch first.
Okay. So that's something for you all to discuss. But if we don't do jury selection today, we will be doing jury selection tomorrow. So defense, state, y'all need to discuss that. And what I can tell you, I just walked in and on the first floor, they have not completed their jury selection process because jurors are in the hallway on the floor.
Well, I don't know what the state's position will be.
I think I know what everybody's position should be, but I'll go with what. And then you, sir, in the white shirt, what's your name? Joshua. Can I see the file on Joshua Johnson, please? Which page is he on? Thank you. All right, Mr. Johnson, can you come forward, please? And can I have somebody from the state on Joshua Johnson? All right, could you unmute for me, sir?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, and how do you pronounce your last name?
Redeville.
All right, vertebrate. Are you in federal court?
I'm out of federal court now. I was in federal debriefing this morning.
Okay, because I was wondering if they let you like not wear a tie in federal court.
No, I apologize. I took it off when I got back to my place. I can put it back on if Your Honor wishes me to.
No. I just, you know, attorneys should be wearing ties. All right, your client is dressed very appropriately for court. So we're here. Where are we on discovery state?
Judge, I'm sorry, what?
It's Joshua Johnson.
Happy to take a look, to Your Honor.
Joshua Harris Johnson.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, I'm calling your name out for them.
No, ma'am.
No problem. I don't know if this is criminal trial division or,
It's criminal trial, Judge.
all right.
I mean, as far as I'm aware, discovery should be available to the defense.
All right, have you had a chance to review the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor. I printed off the discovery that was put into the portal.
All right, do you believe any discovery is missing?
Not that I can be aware of right now. I'm still trying to contact the complaining witness. He hasn't responded to several phone calls, but unless I were to hear something different from witnesses I interview, I'd imagine all of the discovery's been provided.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, on this case, let's recall this for, let's see. I'll recall it for the second week of October. And that will be your final discovery date.
Okay.
All right, we're going to come back on October 10th, and it's to make sure that your attorney has all of the discovery. And I'll need an acknowledgement signed on that day and state if you'll be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All
All right, are you employed?
At the moment, no, no, ma'am, I'm not.
All
Just
right,
in schooling right now.
you're in school?
Mhm.
Where do you go to school?
Cybersecurity. So it's via Zoom call. It's a cohort class, 14-week program.
All right, and what time is your class?
6:30 to 8:30, Monday through Friday.
All right. So what we can do, obviously, you know how to appear by Zoom. For this next setting on October 10th, if you want, you can appear by Zoom.
Perfect.
Okay? All right. Well, you have a seat. Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form and then you'll be excused. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you. Am I be excused?
Yes,
Have a good day. Thank you.
thank you. All right, anyone else ready? Why is everybody staring at me? Nobody's ready? Okay. Bashan, everybody's just staring at me. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you, Bashan. Yes. All right, so defense, nobody told me, so you're welcome. There's a panel of 75, so you're going to do your jury selection and impact court. So just give us a moment. Yes. I'm gonna send them there.
It's the one that got sent back with no lunch.
Mhm. And everyone just give me a moment. to Impact Court.
Yes, ma'am.
And that's where they'll be waiting for jury trial. Just give us a moment. All right, who's here on Carlos Teniente?
Yes, Judge, present.
I know I mispronounced that.
Oh, you did much better than I was.
I did much better, but not the correct pronunciation. Okay.
You're right there, Judge. It's not the easiest of last names. That's.
Okay, I'm working on it.
Yes, you are.
And Your Honor, I'm on that one, but I'll still take this if that's okay.
Sure.
Before heading down.
Okay. All right, court is calling 2024 CR 007649, State of Texas versus Carlos David Teniente Jr. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Zach Dunn for the state.
for the defense?
Renee Munoz.
And are you Mr. Teniente?
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I pronouncing your name correctly?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, see, he winked at me when I said it. So it's like, yay, maybe I'm pronouncing it correctly.
Correct, Judge.
All right, counsel, have you received all of the discovery in this case?
Yes, Judge, I have.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Abrams, this is an application. Sir, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Your Honor, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family, a class A misdemeanor.
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the documents entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, family choking, strangulation to assault, bodily injury, family as a class A misdemeanor? Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as factual understanding of the charges against him?
In my opinion, he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
Oh, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault, bodily injury, family. Punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the Bear County Jail. State recommends community supervision, and there's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes,
Did you understand that to be your plea?
yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
That's correct.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you
Yes.
sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years and there be no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offers states 1 and attachments.
No objection.
All right, and state, I know you have to leave to
Yes,
go
Your
to the other court. Have you had a chance to speak with the complainant?
Have, Your Honor. They've made it clear their lack of interest in cooperating with the district attorney's office.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you ready to proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
On behalf of my client, Judge, we did tender an affidavit non-prosecution notarized document to the state. It's also been uploaded in Odyssey, but we have a copy for the court, should the court be inclined as well. Yes, ma'am, of course. It's our understanding she didn't want to testify. She didn't want any part of the proceedings. My client hasn't been arrested within the last, at least within the last 4 years. And even then, it was something nonviolent. My client and I have gone through the chain of events that led him to being here and what things could have been done differently. We believe an anger management, stress management class will help him identify stressors that if he's dealing with a certain situation, he can always remove himself from that, de-escalates, and find a healthy avenue for his stressors, Judge. He's asking for the chance to be successful on this probation. I asked him if he had any mental health diagnosis or issues. He said he's never been diagnosed with any mental health illnesses. Also asked him about the extent of his substance use. He stated to me the last time he used was about 10 years ago, as in his early 20s, of marijuana. Even in looking to the videos of the body worn camera, it's asked of the complaining witness if drug or alcohol is involved. He said no, he doesn't do drugs, he doesn't do alcohol. Just it was a kind of verbal altercation that spiraled a little bit out of control, Judge. But we've been able to identify the things that had led him to being here. He's willing to be supervised if the court would entertain that, and he'll abide by all the conditions this honorable court sets, Judge. It's my belief that he can be successful on this and contribute to society instead of being a detriment to society, Judge. I feel that with this opportunity, he can run with it, and I firmly believe we won't be seeing him here sitting in the gallery in orange and chains, Judge. So he's ready and willing to take this opportunity to change his life around and not constantly re-enter the criminal justice system and be a recidivist. He knows what he has to do and he's willing to do it to make things right, Judge.
All right, so all of this started over toothpaste.
You can answer.
Yes,
What was it about the toothpaste?
I'm lost. What do you mean?
She's looking at the office report. She thinks that the cops were called because of arguing over toothpaste.
In the police report, it says that all of this started over toothpaste. So what was the issue with toothpaste?
I don't remember it being about the toothpaste, but I just know we did argue.
Well, it says that you were married. Victim stated that suspect got upset and an argument began over a toothpaste and how the victim is not caring for you while you're ill. So what was it about toothpaste?
I honestly don't remember the toothpaste situation.
Well, what was the argument about?
I know I was sick and honestly, I remember being hungry. There was no food. She wasn't cooking.
Well, I mean, you're an
Yeah,
adult. People don't
yeah,
have to cook for you,
No, yeah, I know. It was dumb.
but you were not ill enough.
No,
That didn't
I was
stop
with
you
the
from
fever.
running.
I had a fever, I was cold, like with the cold, like
But that didn't stop you from running and leaving. And then who damaged the door frame?
I did, Your Honor.
And who's paying for that?
I don't know, I will though.
He's willing to pay restitution for that, Judge.
Well, it's gonna come out of the household account because,
Yeah, yes, Judge, I understand.
are you employed?
Right now, no.
What did you do before you were taken in custody?
I was doing landscaping. I was doing my tree business. I got business cards that I was passing out and everything. Yeah, I got my mom to go to, I know I can't have contact with Jody Bettis.
All right, this is what the court is gonna do. 1 year in the Bear County Jail, suspended and probated for 2 years. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, the BIP course, 80 hours of community service restitution. I'm gonna require parenting classes. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. Then at probation's discretion, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider with minors, and there's to be no contact with Jolie Perez. I'll consider changing that if she presents herself and also once he's started on the BIP course.
Understood, Judge. Thank you.
And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. And that I'll reconsider once he started working on parenting.
Very well, Judge.
And is Child Protective Services involved? No.
To my understanding, Judge, I have not heard anything. It's my understanding that the children are exclusively with the mother. But in terms of anything coming to fruition about any investigations relating to him, I'm unaware of, Judge.
All right, and we'll do CPS compliance if applicable. All right, is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful in this probation?
No, Your Honor.
Probation, is there anything else he needs? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. When you have children, the way you communicate, that's how they're going to end up communicating. Now, this child that you have, you may think they're too young, but usually they're not too young to understand what's going on. When you do these things, guess what children think? Maybe you have a daughter, guess what she thinks? If a guy loves you, then he'll hit on you. If he doesn't hit on you, then that maybe mean he doesn't love you because my dad tells me he loves my mom and he's being abusive towards her. If you have a son, maybe they'll think this is how you show love. And then maybe they may think might makes right. And that's how they problem solve. So if you don't want your children to be where you are or end up in toxic relationships, then you had better start changing your ways. You understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Meeting excused?
Yes. Juan, are you Uribe? What is happening with this case?
Your Honor, I would like 2 more weeks to make some additional efforts to contact the complainant.
All right, so we were here on August 22nd, and it was to give the state a chance to contact the complainant.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we are where we are. So were you able to tender an offer? Because today an offer is due.
I have not tendered an offer because I asked defense counsel if they would allow me more time to try to contact the complainant. If the court demands it, I will offer it.
The judge, he's had 2 weeks to contact the victim, so.
All right, so you don't want to allow him more time to do that. You want to, because I require that they give an offer. So, all right, you need to give an offer today. And then I'm going to do a plea deadline date. And how old are you?
24th, ma'am.
24? All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this the first week in October for a plea deadline date, please. All right, we'll be back on October 3rd. At that date, you need to let the court know if you want a jury trial or if you've come to an agreement. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
I thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. And excuse me, Claudia, you all scan your docket sheets in, right? Yes. Okay. Good. Thank you. All right, thank you. All right, Alex Pardo.
Ready, Your Honor.
You've been very patient.
My score's voice.
Just 1 second. And have both parties had a chance to review? Was there a PSI?
There
report?
was not.
There
That's
wasn't.
it. The court had just wanted to look at the criminal history.
And Judge, I had already tendered previously to defense for inspection.
All right, so let me just review this very quickly, then I'll hand it back. All right, thank you.
Judge.
All right, we're going to go on the record in 2024 CR 4327, State of Texas versus Alex Joe Pardo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Escobar from the state of Texas.
Robert Porter for Mr. Pardo.
And are you Mr. Pardo?
Yes.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on July 22nd to aggravated robbery. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 12 years in the prison, and the state is opposing your application. Does anyone have any witnesses? State,
None from the state, Judge.
defense?
No, yeah.
All right, then the court will hear argument. State,
Judge, due to the nature of this charge, it's ag robbery. From the police report, our complainant, he'd started his car because it was cold outside. He was gathering more of his belongings from inside of where he was living. And whenever he came out, that's when the defendants initiated the robbery, is my understanding. Again, It's just this blatant act of threatening the complainant's life or the car. Turned out that the car didn't have any gas, the plane hadn't filled it up with gas yet. And that's really the main reason why we were able to find the defendant, because of the fact that you added gas and he didn't make it that far. Again, it's gonna have been a lot worse, threatening to get the car. Turned out it came down before.
All right, defense.
Thank you, Your Honor. The court, back up a little bit, the court saw the criminal history. There is no criminal history. I think what I did see was a prior adjudication, one juvenile adjudication, that was it. There's a reason the legislature has it 5 to 99 years on this, Judge. I don't want to belittle an ag robbery in front of this court ever. But at the end of the day, with no criminal history, yes, he did run out of gas. He did not give any issues at all to the police officers. He is a father of 3 children. He does work, Judge, and he has been in custody for 9 months now, Judge. So we're respectfully requesting the judge grant our application, and in the alternative, she doesn't, to go out on lower range.
All right. So why are you robbing someone?
Oh.
And I'll place you back under oath, although previously you were under oath when you entered the plea. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Oh, it's in the hallway? Okay. I'm sorry, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Alex Parchment.
All right, so why are you committing a robbery?
I'm in all honesty, I didn't commit robbery.
No, let me tell you what the facts say. Victim was getting ready to leave for work from his listed address. Victim walked out to his listed vehicle and turned it on so it could warm up. Victim observed the defendant standing across the parking lot, but didn't think anything further. Victim briefly went back to his apartment, and when he returned to his vehicle, the defendant was standing next to it. Victim contacted the defendant, who pulled out a large black colored handgun from his jacket. Defendant held the gun down by his side and demanded the vehicle keys from the victim. Victim feared for his safety and complied with the defendant's demands. Victim walked away from the defendant in the vehicle. Defendant fled the location with victim's vehicle prior to the police arrival. Victim advised there was a tracking on the vehicle, and he was in the process of accessing it through the dealership he bought the vehicle from. South Patrol officers were dispatched to the area, and victim's vehicle was observed to be parked on the 400 block of Holder Avenue. Defendant was the only occupant in the vehicle, and he was taken into custody without incident. Defendant advised the officers there was a gun in the vehicle. All right. Is there anything else?
There you go.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty. There's an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon. Give you credit for any time served. Court will sentence you to 12 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And I'm also going to add to sentencing that there's to be no contact with minors. All right, good luck to you. Anyone else ready? Christopher Andrade. Where's Karen Corby? Hi, are you all ready? Okay. Brandon Wright. All right, have they already left? No, he's right there. All right. Hi, you need to, I'm sorry?
They said they'd be right back.
Who is they?
Mr. Buck, Kelly.
Oh, you need to go to Impact. That's where everybody is. Impact Court. It's, and where is it located? Second floor?
They moved it, Judge.
Where has it been moved to?
The dungeon.
No. You're gonna be on second floor. It's now where Miguel Nahara Court is. So it should, this is the government, so it should still say at the top Impact Court. So it will be on the second floor, and I'll let your attorney know that's where you are, okay? All right, thank you. Because I'm assuming the state is in Impact Court, correct?
So family violence is in that court case.
Okay, thank you.
Wherever we fall. There's some bad. Frozen Salinas.
All right, Juana Rumbola.
Yes, Judge,
Okay. Are y'all not in?
Well, I think I was just, we're gonna ask a logistical question afterwards. I just spoke with Judge Jarrett on the second floor.
Mhm.
I think she was curious about if we pick in there, even with respect to the
All right, Rumbola. So you're all scheduled for jury trial. All right, so we'll see if this case, what they're gonna do, if they're gonna plead, so just hang around.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
It's always good to see you.
You too, Judge.
I believe this may be criminal trial division. If y'all wanna see if you all can take care of that.
Yes. Thank you.
And then who was the other person you said? It was Andrade Judge and something like. All right, I'll have Andrade. No, yeah. All right. Salinas? All right, they dressed him for trial. Doesn't he need an interpreter?
It will be fine, Your Honor. It's just for a new court date. The defense is ready.
For jury trial. So if they end up working that case out, you're going to jury trial, or either Raymond's here, you guys will be going to trial with me.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
All right, just have a seat.
Also, lo bien es que nos esperamos. Vamos.
All right, Christopher Andrade.
It's your honor. We're ready to finish. Afternoon, your honor.
Good afternoon. So where are you all on discovery? Look, another diamond tattoo. All right.
Judge, I think we're complete with discovery.
Yes, Judge, I think we're good on discovery.
All right, so you're good with discovery. State, were you able to tender an offer?
Yes.
How old are you? 40. All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you reset this in 2 weeks for a plea deadline date?
Yes.
All right, we'll be back on September 23rd. On that date, you need to let court know whether or not you're coming to an agreement. Do you understand? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have excused?
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're welcome. Claudia, on this one, that's previously been entered. So, do they need something else? Okay, all right, thank you. All right, Mr. Porter,
Yes, sir.
are you ready on Eric Cooper or no?
I'm still waiting on an offer.
Okay, all right, thank you. And State, do you know what is happening with Michael Rodriguez?
I don't judge.
Okay.
I can think of it.
Oh, no problem. I think maybe you guys were conferring, that's one of Mr. Bonk's cases.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you. And then. All right, on April Garcia. All right, Ms. Garcia, there are several family violence cases that are ahead of yours.
Okay.
It's likely that yours won't go because there are 5 family violence cases that are ahead of you.
Yeah.
They're older than yours. So if you want, you can remain to see what happens to that case. Or either I can reset you and give you another jury trial date.
Okay.
You want to talk to your attorney?
Take 30 seconds.
Okay, sure. Yes.
On this update letter, I did reach out to our investigator just to reach out to the ME's office just to confirm.
Mhm.
And just to see if there's any sort of death certificate.
Okay.
Once we get that, we can discuss it.
Okay.
Just so that we could put it in the file.
All right, thank you. That's you.
Judge, do you know about how long the reset will be out? Normally, or I think you just wanted to, how long it would be for what our next trial date would be, Judge?
Oh, it would be on the 16th
Of,
September.
around September. Because she's actually off, like we were in impact, we're on call. I think
It'll
she
be
said
with
she-
Judge Angelini on the 16th.
On the 16th. So, it's just her. Okay.
All right. Ms. Ferguson. Can you recall Ms. Garcia for the 16th, and she'll be with Judge Angelini?
Is that here, Judge, or in?
It will be in Judge Carruthers Court.
Correct. Wait, put the one downstairs or that before?
Hmm?
I'll figure it out, Judge.
Okay.
I believe that's gonna be downstairs. It's not impact court, correct, Judge?
No.
Okay.
All righty. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
And thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Oops.
Already calling that impact now. All this thing. Okay, so he's brothers in the basement. Mr. Gross.
Yes.
On the 16th, I have a VA appointment where I have to do some blood work. I was seeing if the 17th or 18th would work for the court.
Oh, no, go ahead and do the blood work and we'll work around your schedule.
Okay, so just leave it.
Yes.
Should I put it in the continuance?
No,
Or
we'll work
just-
around your schedule
Sorry.
and I'll be sure the judge knows.
Yes, Judge.
Hello. Yes.
Some grand jury rejections.
All right. Thank you.
Hey, yeah, I went to Mesa's office and I saw you were gone. Really? That's awesome. It's good. Yeah, I like it. Thank you.
There you
All
are.
right, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, I'll see you later.
All right. Bye-bye.
criminal history.
Eric Cooper? All right, so where are we on the discovery with the Berg hat?
Well, we're almost there. He still needs to find the complainant or talk to the complainant. That's what we've been waiting on all afternoon.
Well, yeah, Judge, just wanted to, we had the one, UUV, which we, that was the older case. There's a new case that just got indicted on the 29th of August. Firm tab, we have been reaching out to the victim since this morning. We did get hold of their next of kin. So we're on that avenue, but we just haven't spoken with them yet.
Okay,
And a small reset, that's all we're asking.
all right. Well, I mean, if you want, they can give you an offer now. I think it'll be an offer without speaking to the complainant,
That is true.
so.
Let me.
Okay,
let
sure.
me visit with him.
Okay, just give me a moment. Thank you. I'm sorry, what? Are you ready to approach? All right, Mr. Cooper.
Oh, yes.
All right, so the state is saying that they need more time. So do you want to give them more time or you want them to tender you an offer? All right, state, how much time are you requesting?
Hey, couple of weeks just to get a hold of that.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this in 2 weeks? All right, September 23rd. What happened to your head? Okay. All right, we'll be back on September 23rd.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Tomorrow? You're gonna turn on the music tomorrow? Yeah, that was 75.
That would help.
All right, Austin Young?
It's fine.
Yes.
That's an MTR setting. It's set for tomorrow. I picked a jury right now in front of Judge Angelini.
Okay,
So I'm asking if I can just move that a week.
okay.
And there's no new number ones. He just, he lost the device. So that's the issue.
All right, Ms. Ferguson. I need a 1-week reset on Austin Young. It's 2022 1449W.
Yes.
All right, we'll be back on the 17th.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. And how long is this trial gonna take?
Just this week.
All right. So Norma, on their case, they're gonna be in county court 14 tomorrow at 1. Do not report here.
Correct. We were, yeah, correct.
And then your other cases here?
Everything else today was handled, I believe.
No, you have Michael Rodriguez.
Oh, it's a motion to set bond. Sorry, I didn't realize he was still set. He's a motion to set bond, so.
He has 4 or 5 cases with us.
Okay. Okay.
All right, who's here on Stokes?
I'm here, Judge.
Court is calling 2023 CR 7159, State of Texas versus Stevie Ray Stokes. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Right, Sylvania?
Defense?
Kelly Piddle?
And are you Stevie Ray Stokes? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Stokes, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are proceeding on count 1, abandoning a child, and we are waiving and abandoning the remaining counts.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers of Affidavit and Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with abandoning and endangering a child? Placing in imminent danger of bodily injury as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
And on this case, is there an application for deferred adjudication or no?
Just community supervision.
All right, any objection to the court checking the box where there says there's no application for deferred adjudication?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Stokes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 1. Punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's no application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea?
It is.
State is at the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years and there be no contact with Zilila Washington, Zililah. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to count 1, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
State Officer 6 Exhibit 1 with attachments.
Objection.
Right, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Do y'all have the autopsy?
We do.
All right, I need to see that. Any objection to the state of bending the stipulations to include the autopsy?
No.
All right, state, are you offering in evidence the autopsy?
No objection.
Then the autopsy will be included as part of the stipulations. Thank you. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
What would you like to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we ask that you follow the plea bargain. Myself, Mr. Saldana, and Mr. Stokes thoughtfully came to this conclusion of the case, and we ask that you follow it.
How old are you?
24.
Why are you leaving a baby by themselves, unattended?
Well, I just got out here in Texas. She wanted us to come down here and she wanted to see my daughter and my son. So I came out all the way out here. You know, I didn't have it. I had money, but I had, diapers and wipes and stuff. I didn't have it. I couldn't count on my mom because she works.
No. This thing said that you had a setup in your bathroom where you would play video games.
No,
That's what's in the, am I the only person who read this in the stipulations? That's what's in the stipulations. So I don't understand that. And it says that this child was born premature. And in it, finally, the police get you to admit that you knew you should have checked on the child, but you didn't. So why are you not checking on the child?
I mean, I did check, but when babies are asleep, they sleep. That's what I thought. I raised my daughters Delilah on my own, and
No, it was stated that you were in the bathroom playing video games.
well, that's what they say. Cause I know me, I don't be playing my games. Why would I play my game in the bathroom? I don't.
And then they checked in with the plasma center and it shows that you were not at the plasma when you said you were not at there at 7, you were there at noon. And so you left a premature child by himself, face down in his bassinet.
I will never face down my children.
Okay,
Always on the back.
anything else?
Okay.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. I'm following the agreement that the state has reached with your attorney. There's going to be proof of employment. Where are you working now?
No feathers. It's right off the military.
Within 30 days of release from custody. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And why was the house so nasty? They said the house was filthy. Sorry, the apartment.
Well, I didn't have a lot of stuff. It's really my baby mama. She had a lot of stuff all over the house. I didn't have.
Well, were you not living there as well?
Yeah.
So why didn't you clean? They said that there was marijuana butts in the house. They said there was an infestation of roaches. So that's what you all brought a premature child to. So why was no one cleaning the apartment? They said there was standing water in the sink. Yeah, I'm asking these questions. So why? Were you not cleaning?
I mean, I do clean, but I don't, I don't clean as much as I'm supposed to.
And then in this report, they said that you said that you didn't have any family here in San Antonio. But now you're saying your mom was here, and halfway through the police report, you say that your mom was here in San Antonio.
Yeah, I always said my mom was here. She was even there when I got locked up.
All right, there's to be no contact with Zelaya Washington, no contact with minors. And obviously you and your girlfriend don't make good parents. So there's to be no contact with her. Let me see if I can, what is Tremaya Washington? That's TREMIAH. And is Child Protective Services involved?
They were, Judge, the case has now been closed. It's my understanding that Samaya is with mom. Yes. We have not been able to reach mom.
Oh, I guess, I don't know why CPS would close the case, but I'm not CPS. All right. There's to be regular random UAs. Bill visits. One time per month. Until further notice. 100 hours of community service restitution. There's going to be parenting classes. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
And there's going to be 180 days Bear County Jail as a condition.
Will the court give him credit for his pretrial incarceration?
No. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement? Because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, and do you need any therapeutic help? Do you
Yeah.
need any therapy? Do you need help, mental health, trauma? All right, are you sure? Your child died.
Yeah, but it says,
So you're over it.
No, I'm not over. I'm just saying that I had my daughter and she was preemie, and nothing happened to her. It just, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Judge, after he's released from the Bear County Jail, can he have his GPS removed?
Just come back and I'll consider it.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you want me to come back in 6 months?
Yes.
Oh, how you think? Yeah, I have this case. And filed for reinstatement of bonds.
Yeah, it's good.
Said bonds. He
Thank
had
you.
a bond court on Friday. If you could bring him over.
All right, anyone else ready?
I am, Judge.
Who is this?
Michael Rodriguez that you referred to earlier. They were just motions to set bond. I've conferred with the state.
Have the hearing, says he-
Those are
Where's
the,
your client?
he's in custody, Judge. And then I had Mr. Garahan and his handwriting in the blue on the front of each, right?
All right. State, are you ready on Michael Rodriguez? Court is calling Nightback number 760-281, 765-206, 765-205, 738-374, State versus Michael Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
for the defense?
Charles Bunk for Mr. Michael Rodriguez.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez? Lo and behold, another diamond. You know, everybody has the diamond tattoos and they are symbols, they say, of children. All right. What is your diamond a symbol of?
Peace and unity, happy.
Oh, peace, unity, and children. All right. I think we know. Okay. So you are here to have a bond set in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor. We've filed motions and I've tendered them to the court. I've conferred with the state and
All right. So, Mr. Rodriguez, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. If you were released today, where would you be living?
At my grandfather's house.
Well, did you pick up the phone and ask your grandfather if you can live there?
I was there. He has Parkinson's and I was helping him there before when I got this warrant. And I got picked up. I didn't even know I had a warrant for one of those. I was paying my payments and stuff, so.
So the answer to my question is no.
Yes, ma'am. I've talked to him. My stuff is there.
No. My question to you is,
No, ma'am.
did you pick up the phone and ask him if you could stay with him?
No.
All right, so where will you be staying? Do you have a place other than there to stay?
My mother's,
Have you called her and asked her if you can live with her?
no, ma'am. I didn't know. No, ma'am.
You can't just say you're living with somebody if you haven't asked them.
No, I was living with my grandfather. My stuff's there, my clothes, my truck, my dog, all my personal things. Like I said, I've been taking him to his doctor's appointments on Thursdays. I get up and cook for him. I stay there at that house. I have my room there.
Well, based upon one of your charges, and I don't take any of it as true, I don't think that's a great place for you to stay. What is the your mother? And I'm sorry, what is his name?
Excuse me?
What is his name?
Charlie Martin.
And with regards to your mother, does she have any health issues?
No, ma'am.
And are you employed or your employment was just helping him?
Yes, ma'am. I also do plumbing. I'm a plumber.
Do you have a license?
I have to go to Austin and get it. I have my hours.
So the answer is,
I have my apprentice.
but you don't have a license.
I'm not. I also do lock work.
What do you mean you do lock work?
Locksmith. I was doing a pipeline. I was working for a solo construction, installing fire hydrants and sewage drains, the main drains.
And you said it's 3225?
325 Regina Street.
325.
Ah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And have you ever used any drugs in the past?
When I was younger, man,
What?
marijuana and I said I didn't take no pills, just marijuana, drink beer and cocaine when I was in my eighth.
And what else?
That's
So
it.
we have marijuana, beer, cocaine, what else?
That's it.
Have you ever been diagnosed with mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
And how far did you go in school?
11 and a half when I got my GD.
Okay. All right. So it appears that you all have come to an agreement on bond amounts.
That's correct.
So in a NIGHTMAC number ending in 281, your agreement is for $7,500 bond.
That's correct.
Are you asking for any added conditions?
No, Judge, well, the state always requests GPS tracking at least.
All right. Can anyone tell me what is the offense dates for these cases?
Yes, these.
281. I'm sorry, NYMEX 760-281.
760-281.
Mhm.
Office date looks like April 12th, 2024.
And then 765-206.
Seven six five two zero six, Judge.
Yes.
That is office date of May 14th, 2024.
And then 765-205.
205 is 5/14/2024.
And then 738-374.
Sorry, which one, Judge?
NYMEX 738-374.
That is November 13th, 2023.
All right,
He does have one indicted case, but I believe the clock is 7.
okay. And then in the cause number ending in 206, you all have agreed to $5,000. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in cause number 205, you all have agreed to $20,000.
Yes.
And cause number 374, you all have agreed to $4,500.
Yes.
All right, I will follow your agreement, but in each cause number, the court is going to order GPS. State, do you want full GPS or partial for employment?
Judge, we're okay with tracking.
Okay. So GPS tracking. I'll ask that fees are waived.
Thank you.
And you're not allowed to reside at the address on Regina Street. Or with Charlie Martin. And that's in each cause number. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from the defense judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused.
Yes,
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome.
Have a seat, sir. Judge,
Yes.
please have jurors in the hallway right now. No, this is like the leftover, and the leftover judge.
All right, I'll take care of it in just a second. They're supposed to be in the other court, but I'll take care of it.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
She said so.
Hi, just have a seat. I'll get with you all in just a moment.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There's that. And Norman, the indicted case for him is set on the 19th. All right, let me see all of the remaining cases, please. All right. Thank you. All right, who's here on one, Arambala? All right, we'll see you all back tomorrow.
Tomorrow night?
Yes. Is your client in custody or on bond?
He's on bond, Judge.
All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Norm, if you'll give him a reset date for tomorrow.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Luis De Leon? Oh, that's already been reset for the 16th. Wilfredo Salinas, Norma, recall that for tomorrow, and he needs to be brought over dressed.
For tomorrow?
Yes.
I thought the jury trial was already scheduled for another case.
No,
Jury
we'll be
panel.
trying it up here. I don't know why everybody is trying to make assumptions. No, we'll be in trial up here as well. All right. Jordan Robbins, that's gonna be tomorrow.
Do we have a priority number, Your Honor?
I'm sorry,
A
what?
priority number 1, 2, 3, or,
Oh, I don't do that. We'll see you back tomorrow.
Your Honor, I have to rearrange the schedule, Your Honor. We usually do it in 2-week or 4-week notices with other courts. It's gonna overlap with other counties, Your Honor.
All right, it happens. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Thank you for understanding, Your Honor.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor, can I approach Jordan Robbins really quickly?
Yes.
Um. I've been in contact with defense counsel on this one. They're okay with me approaching the court.
Okay.
So there's been new developments on this case. We're filing a joint motion for continuance, and here's why. When I was pre-trialing when I was scheduling to pre-trial the detective in this case, a couple weeks ago, I discovered that Schertz PD terminated the detective for untruthfulness.
Okay.
So I went ahead and requested the IA records because we didn't have any of those records for me to provide to defense. I just got some of the records today because I had subpoenaed them to be ready today. I still need a separate set of records that was conducted by an independent investigation.
Okay.
So I let defense know, and of course, together we're asking for the reset for me to provide those records, given that there could be Brady information that I have to turn over.
Okay, all right. We'll see where we, just come back tomorrow, file the motion.
Okay,
We'll
oh,
hear it.
it's fine, Judge. We could just come back tomorrow. if you'd
All
like.
right, thank you.
Yes.
Norma, Brandon Wright, tomorrow. Brandon Wright? Yes. Dress for trial.
No, he's on bond, Judge. We're gonna be on.
The court.
Brandon, yeah.
So, Norma, that's tomorrow with Judge Jarrett.
Alina.
And then one of Romulus for tomorrow. All right. It's been a crazy day. I predicted it or did I cause it? I don't know. I spoke it into the,
Yes, you
to the universe and it happened. Well, tomorrow will be better.
Yes.
All right, so we will be back tomorrow at 9 a.m.